and I'll be running across to Hall 11 for the Sportswear Pro.
Welcome to Sportswear Pro 2024, FESPA's brand new exhibition.
FESPA show is one of the main shows. We should be there to promote our products and to tell customers, visitors what exists in the market for their future projects.
It's really important for us, especially for styles, because we have such a rich history when it comes to sports decorating. So for us it's really important as the leading heat printer in sportswear to be here to support this exhibition and to show everyone just how easy it is to be a part of this industry.
FESPA communicated their will to be more sustainable and to have a more sustainable packaging and solution as well.
This is the main reason why we take the opportunity to participate at this event.
We think it's a right time to come back. We have a lot of new stuff that we wanted to present, and the main thing is to meet our customers that they've been wanted to go and visit trade shows and meeting face to face again.
Sportswear Pro is organised for professionals in the sportswear and merchandise manufacturing industry. It's been a fantastic first day. Join thousands of visitors, experience new opportunities and discover the latest technologies and solutions for on-demand and customised sportswear production. Register now and we look forward to seeing you here at the RAI Amsterdam in the Netherlands.